welcome to part 3 of the beginner's guide to rock singing. If you haven't already done parts 1 and 2 and you are a beginner, I do recommend going back to part 1, which is going to pop up somewhere around here on a card, and if you missed that, then you can get it in the description. So rock singing, for this course, for the sake of this course, I'm talking about the forward placement in rock singing that gives you the powerful sound. There are, and I've touched on this in the previous parts, there are some singers, particularly female singers, who do sing in a classical style with a rock band, and it still sounds rocky, but that's not what we're going for here. We are going for that forward, that powerful sound that can lead to belting. So in this section, I'm going to be telling you how you can sing very high with that twang, forward placement, bright sound without it sounding soft, without it sounding weak. Now, of course, when we start anything to do with singing, it does start weak and you develop the strength as you develop the technique. You don't develop the strength by pushing and forcing. One thing to remember is that we never, ever, 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 ever push or force our voice when it comes to singing. If you haven't warmed up yet, then I recommend using this warm-up to warm up. And if you missed that, you will find it in the description. Now, for some of you, you might think, it's okay, I just sang a few songs. I sung a few songs lightly. I've even had a singer who was with me for years, who her way of warming up was singing soft songs, singing lightly. And you know, okay, that can warm up your voice, but where's your technique practice? When you use the right exercises as you warm up, you will also be practicing technique at the same time. And that's why I recommend using specific warm-ups when you're singing specific styles of music. So once you've warmed up, come back here and we will begin. So to get that high sound, the placement must be forward. As you've learned in parts 1 and 2, the placement must be forward, otherwise you won't get it. If you drop the placement, if you lose the placement, that's when you're going to get cracks and breaks. That's when you can start to cause strain, and that's when you don't get the very strong sounds anymore. It feels very difficult. When you do this right, singing becomes effortless. The effort is in the concentration when you're learning the technique, not in the delivery. So once you've got the technique, singing is very easy, but you do have to work at the technique. There are no shortcuts to this. So if you're looking for videos on hacks, on shortcuts, even if it tells you that it's a shortcut or a hack, either they're not being honest with you or they're not giving you the right technique. What I'm going to give you here will actually help you to develop a strong voice that you can use night after night when you're gigging, day after day if you're recording. You must remember that your voice, even when you have a strong voice, it does need vocal rest. Now, recently, so it's September 2025 at the time of recording this particular video, at the beginning of August, so just a month ago, I was performing at Rebellion Punk Rock Festival up in Blackpool in England, and we did 2-hour performances for 4 hours. I was the backing vocalist, and by day 3 I definitely needed to be on vocal rest. On day 2 I put the lead singer on vocal rest. You have to look after your voice even when you know what you're doing. We're going to use the sound na. And we're going to start down here. So if you have a low voice, this will probably be around your mid or mid to high range from here. If you have a high voice, you can start from here. This should be fine for everyone. We are eventually going to go through your whole range, but you'll find that it will help you with those high notes. The sound is na, and we're not going for a pretty sound, so it's not na 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 na, and it's not even na 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 na. It's going to be harsher than that. It's na 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 na. So that buzzy feeling and the buzzy sound that we had with ni, ni 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 ni, we're going to carry that sound through onto the open vowel ah. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I'm deliberately moving fast so that you don't succumb to the temptation to go na 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 and push that last note. We don't want that. We want everything balanced. Let's start again. That's the speed we're going to be going at. So take breaths into your lungs, into your stomach, nice and relaxed. 5, 6, 7. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Breathe. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Breathe. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't use your throat. Don't squeeze your throat to get these notes. Na 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 na. Behind your eyes, through your forehead, not in your throat. Na 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 na. If that doesn't make sense, put it through your nose here. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't go for nice, go for buzzy. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. If you're finding this difficult and you have questions, then join my you can join my WhatsApp group for coaching. You can join the membership for ad-free tutorials as well. That is coming up soon. You'll see the join button soon. So if you see this video after I open the membership, it's a new membership. It's not the old one that was on a different platform. I'm bringing it back to YouTube because of some technical issues over there. It's just easier to do it on YouTube. So if the join button is available, then join. If not, I will let you know when it's available. But you can join my WhatsApp group now. That is open. You will find the link in the description. We're going to go back down. Remember to breathe, okay? The sound is forward. It's forward placement, either through your forehead or your nose, the bridge of your nose here. Let's go. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Don't drop the brightness. Don't drop the energy as we come down in pitch. Even though we're coming down in pitch, we want the same energy coming down as we did going up. Keep it nice and energetic. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So you should have the same sound and the same feeling throughout your range. You might notice, if you were listening, you will notice that I changed from na to nan at the end of the exercise there. I actually should have said nan. So next time you do this, write it down somewhere, use the word nan, and you're going to aim for the N at the end of the word, okay? Because that stops you from the temptation of dragging out the word and losing the placement. Okay, so once you've done this, once you've nailed this, you can move on to part 4. Please don't move on to part 4 before you've nailed this, because if you do, you are going to cause damage if you try to do the exercise that I'm going to give you in part 4. If you have enjoyed this and this has helped you, remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get all of my future videos and so you can get parts 4 and 5 of this rock vocals mini course. Join us in the membership or join us on WhatsApp. All of the links are in the description. I'll see you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao.